Hindi ba? Ano pa pala eh? Para sa nararamdaman. Ako, ano pa? Ice pa.
Ayos pa.
Pero guys, thank you for the good season.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, we came up short. Next time, we'll,
Next time.
I don't know
Next
if there's
time.
a next time, but hey.
Come on, man.
Trust the process, yes, boss?
Cheers, guys.
Unang nag-imbita eh.
Si Ryan, nakakota na ng isang set ng uniforme yung galing KW.
Apat ba? Apat?
Apat na uniforme to.